In this video, I want to share what I think is the perfect side hustle. If you have been trying to find the best way to make extra money, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I love side hustles. In fact, I haven't worked a real job in years. Whether you are just looking to make a few $100s a month extra, or maybe you are searching for a way to replace your job, this side hustle might be just what you need. Hey, if you are not already a subscriber, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So let's get to it and let me tell you why I think this is the perfect side hustle. When I evaluate side hustles, I look at three things: the realistic income potential, how much time they take to do, and how simple they are and if any special skills are required. And this side hustle scores on all three. It's perfect. I build this business myself. It has been my #1 recommended income stream for several years now, and here's why. First, it's super simple. It's a unique online opportunity in the business model called affiliate marketing. Anyone can work this side hustle. No previous experience or skills are needed. It takes minimal time, just a few hours a week, and because it's all online and mostly automated, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. It comes with a powerful marketing system that really leverages your time, and you can do it from just about anywhere you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. But best of all is the money. I mean, that's why you're really watching this video, right? So with this side hustle, you can make money fast. $120 days are doable, even for beginners. And it pays out recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for what you do each day. I can show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. And this is key, as too many side hustles take so much time that it's almost like taking on another job. Well, anyone can find 30 minutes a day. And to help you have maximum success in minimal time, we provide terrific training. We have a training website with dozens of how-to videos, live interactive Zoom calls daily, and we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, what really makes this the perfect side hustle is that I will mentor you personally. You can capitalize on my 30+ years experience in making money from home. So, to learn more about this side hustle and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.